Hey, greetings travelers, and welcome back to Traveling Guru, where we take an insider look at travel and tourism. I'm your host, Dennis Fouts, and this week on Travel Tip Tuesday, Norwegian Cruise Line is now single-use plastic beverage bottle-free across its fleet. They are also the first major global cruise operator to do this. The brand announced last year that it partnered with Just Goods, which is owned by the famous Will Smith and son Jaden, which enabled the cruise line to replace all single-use plastic water bottles across its 17-ship fleet, beginning with its most recent ship, the Norwegian Encore. In 2018, the company eliminated single-use plastic straws across its fleet and private destinations, and as a result of this most recent initiative, they are expecting to replace over 6 million single-use plastic water bottles every year. In addition, the brand is working to eliminate single-use shampoo and conditioner bottles, to be announced later in this year. Hey, at Traveling Guru, we support any company working to preserve our oceans and the destinations they visit. Thank you for tuning in to Traveling Guru, and if you haven't already done so, hey, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and if we can create that next perfectly fit vacation for you, your friends, and your family, we love to do so. Until then, see you next Tuesday. All right, bye-bye.